In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable camera access on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result or best match should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, select camera. Whereas this camera access at the top, just toggle this to the off position to disable, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.